Hello everyone and welcome to Wilson and Family Kitchen. Today we are making duck leg confit. So starting off, we are going to season our duck legs. Okay, so now we're going to season with seasoned salt. Some herbs de Provence. Now we're going to add some peppercorns. And just a few cardamom pods. Well, now just put them in the fridge for a couple hours. So now that we've let the legs sit in the fridge while seasoned for a couple hours, we should be able to rinse them and pat them dry. So now we're going to want to poke the skin, lance it sort of, but on an angle so that we don't hit the meat. This is so that the fats can just basically leak out. So now we're going to take a container of duck fat, put it in here so it's in a liquid state to pour over the duck legs. And also make sure to preheat your oven to 250. And then we're just going to let it liquidize. And so once it's fully liquid, pour it over the duck. Hey look, it looks like fat sitting in water. This is also fat. So now we can take our duck fat, pour it over our duck legs. We do not know how this came to be, but okay. Now we're going to put it in the oven for 4 hours on 250 Fahrenheit. Oh, and also make sure to wrap it over, wrap the top over with aluminum foil. Well, that's not hot at all. 4 hours. Remember? Okay, so now that the duck is out of the oven, we can now take a look if it's done. So you should just be able to take a fork and just poke at it, and it should be super tender. So you're supposed to take it off. By the way, you can save the fat for about a month, and I recommend using it for other things, such as eggs, potatoes, more duck confit, whatever, as long as it includes fat. Okay, so now you're going to want to boil some water. So we're going to take the water, put it in here, put the duck legs on here, then it's sort of like a sauna. The skin gets dry, but the flesh stays moist and soft. "40 minutes in the oven at 450 Fahrenheit. In 45 minutes, we just took them out of the oven. The skin should be nice and crispy, and meat should be about the same as it was before we put it on water. Just a whole day. Anyways, Merry Christmas. Thank you for watching. Have a great holiday. Happy New Year. See y'all next time on Wilson Family Kitchen. Subscribe and please like. Hello. Yeah, the video isn't quite over. We're actually gonna taste it now. That's really good. Make it. There's like a mixture of bacon and duck. Merry Christmas. Oh. Okay, that feels interesting.
Have you ever heard of duck fat fries?
I said, Father, you can use it in any recipe that requires fat, or fat can be used as a substitute for oil. Other mystical thing called substituting. Oh yeah, and also while you wait, you can go open your presents, pick cookies, look at the stockings, play with your toys, do whatever. Stop this. Oh, I don't know things.